that was one thing that really got me angry when I couldn't figure it out, and I spent several hours taking it apart, putting it back together, wondering why the trigger wasn't working. And that was why. So let's push that little thing back, and while keeping it pushed back, push the frame on top. Okay, how you can tell, just very lightly pull the trigger. If you see the hammer going back a little, you know that you got it in right. Okay, on to the hardest part, which I probably will have to cut this video tremendously to get to work, is putting this little thing back on the top here. So this is the only tool I have for doing this. I'm basically going to just, okay, basically with this tool I'm going to, let's see, stick it under a little hole under this thing so I have some leverage to push it up, like, let's see, like so. I'm gonna push it up like that and get it over. Okay, just turn it, and it's okay, like so. It's on. Yeah, that part's hard. I probably didn't get to show how exactly I did that, but you get the idea. Cut the video. Okay, now let's get the slide back on. So I'm going to push the slide back on, lock it, put my pin in, like so, snap, and trigger should be working. Hooray! I really hate doing this, but you know, I really wanted to give you a video showing you how this does this, because to my dismay I could not find any videos at all demonstrating how to do this. And I know that I'm probably not the only person who's frustrated with that, who wanted to know how to do this himself, him or herself. So now for the easy part, putting the little pins back in. That's not too hard. Just be careful not to break the frame, but you just gotta just lightly tap until they meet there. Now let's put second pin in. There, that was easy. And last but certainly not least, the end pin right here. There. Now let's put our little magazine in. Let me just load a snap cap just to make sure this thing works. Stick that in. Load it up, and nice. And it works. Ready for the range. Well, I hope this video gave you some information or helped you if you want to swap out your Kel-Tec PF9 frame and you didn't feel like sending it to a gunsmith or sending it to Kel-Tec to do it for you and needing to wait. So there you go. I have my PF9 in the black frame that I wanted, and I like the black because, well, I don't care really for tactical colors. I like, you know, like this gray frame here or an olive drab. I like guns that look like your stereotypical black gun that a cop or a secret agent would wear. So I think the black looks more like a real gun rather than like a plastic toy like this gray thing seemed to make it look like. But anyways, there you have it. my black Kel-Tec PF9. Jeep Dragon signing off.